Good morning, sir. My name is Aayush Gaur, registration number 21BCG10048. And in the assignment 4, we will apply textures, shading, and lighting to the material and models. Textures are 2D images used to wrap around 3D models to give them color, details, and surface properties. In Unity, textures can be applied to materials, defining how an object looks. Shading in Unity refers to how light interacts with surfaces. Unity uses various shading models to simulate how light bounces off objects. Lighting is essential for setting the mood and realism of the scene. Unity offers different types of lights. There is direction light, point light, spotlight, and area light. To apply this to the scene, we will first create a plane on which we will create a cube and place the cube and also a sphere. Now we will apply textures to the those two. For applying texture, first we will have to create materials. To create materials, we will create a new folder and name them materials. In this folder, we will create two materials, one for cube and another for sphere. To create the cube material and apply the textures in it, we will use the we will apply the cube material to the cube and sphere material to the sphere. And in the sphere material for albedo, we will select the rock texture. This will give this sphere a rock texture, as you can see. And then for we will apply the normal map and a height map to this. And a occlusion mask. We have applied the occlusion to this, and then for the smoothness we will decrease the smoothness so it looks like a rock. As you can see, the sphere looks like a rock, and it also has the illusion of height because of height map and normal map. And for the sphere cube, what we will do is go to the cube material, and in the albedo we will apply the wood texture. In the normal map we will apply the wood normal, and in the roughness for smoothness we will increase the smoothness a bit so it looks like little bit smooth. As you can see, we have given this a wooden texture used on floors. We can also use the same texture on the floor to give it a wood type vibe, wood floor vibe. Now for shading and lightning, we will control the main direction light, which is present by default in the scene. We can change the uh, how shading and the shadows and the lighting work by rotating it. We can create whole darkness and a little sunset scene or sunrise scene, as you can see. And we have also different types of lights. For example, we have a point light, which if we uncheck the direction light, you can see the point light here in the scene. We can uh, also increase or decrease its intensity to uh, for our purposes and our choices. There are also a area light and a spotlight. Spotlight is gives a light on a spot. As you can see, it is creating light on the spot which the radius it is pointing towards. And there is also an area light which creates a light in the area. That is all. Thanks.